So I was actually just working on another video and then this happened. Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be addressing this problem on a Windows computer. This is actually the second time that this has happened to me in 1 month, and the first time I kind of regretted not making the video about this because I saw that many people had this issue, and then there was this one forum in which I actually found the solution, but then I did make a video, so I decided that this time, instead of actually fixing it right away, I'm going to make the video to show how I fixed it last time. Alright, so let's get right into it. Okay, so I've put you right in front of my screen just to go through some of the fixes here. Okay, so the very first thing we'd want to do is check why this problem is. Usually it's the Bluetooth connection that's not working. So here you check the Bluetooth, and when you click on it, you'll see that Intel Wireless Bluetooth is the driver that's not working. So what we'll do is press the Windows key and X just to open this, and then go into Device Manager on your computer. Let me just put this into full screen for you. So you see this is constantly refreshing right up here. And when you click on Bluetooth, you see that the Bluetooth driver has a problem. So the very first thing we'd want to do is to update the driver. You can just search automatically online for it. In the most minor cases, this would be the best way to fix this problem. So let me just quickly check for updates because the Bluetooth driver says that I have the latest one. No, not this. Okay, so if that doesn't work, we will go ahead and uninstall the device. So we'll just delete the whole thing off completely, and we wait for that to happen. So then you should see a generic Bluetooth adapter right here. So it's being set up, we wait for that. Then what we can do is see when it reinstalls, is it done? Okay, so if that doesn't work, now we go into option 2. Option 2, I actually got it from this video right here. It's called Bluetooth Not Working in Windows 10 by TechMT. And basically what they say is that you have to go back into Device Manager. So go right back there, go under Bluetooth, and then find Details. Under Details, switch the property to Hardware IDs. And here you just take your first one, right click on it, copy, and then conduct a regular Google search for that driver, and then just download the one that you have there. And once you download it, it will install, and you just have to restart the computer and it should be all good. Now, that option doesn't work for me either. As you see, I have done that already, but if I were to go ahead and enable this driver again, I get the same problem all over again. So that doesn't work either. So what's great about that video is that it actually provides you with 4 different options to solve this. I don't know much about how the second and the fourth one works, so I highly advise watching the video. I'll link in the description and up here for you. But when that didn't work for me, I went ahead and just disabled the driver to just keep it quiet for now. And then I went on the browser and did about 1.5 hours of research on solutions for this thing. And I tried every other possibility, and one that worked for me was from this Intel community forum, in which somebody reported the same problem in March 2020. And after all of these different solutions, I had to scroll all the way down, read through everything, and realized that this user here, Artichoke Dip, said that his solution was to shut down his PC and fully shut off his PSU, flip the switch back, unplug the cable, and then put it back in and start up your PC. If it's the same problem, this should fix it. This one only works with PCs, like big desktop PCs, because a laptop, everything is hardwired pretty nicely, so you should normally be okay with the fixes that TechMT suggests. But this is what I did last time and it actually worked. So what we're going to do is put the computer back on this table and show you how to do that if you're not familiar with it. Alright, so to go to that, first of all, what we would do ideally is to shut down your computer completely, wait for it to shut down. Next up, once it's shut down, we'll just take out every cable from the back. So after you unscrew your computer, just remove the top lid. And then in here, we'll go ahead and power off the PSU. So it's powered off. Make sure that all of the cables that connect to the Bluetooth inside your computer are firmly attached. I'm going to go ahead and just use a regular pen to do that because my screwdriver is far away there. And that is firmly attached. Wires are good. What they also recommend is just fully disconnected. So, and then we'll come back after 20 seconds, plug that right back in, and then we'll put the lid on. Once you finish screwing it on, I'm just going to go ahead and put that back in place. And then switch the computer back on. All right, so we're back online, and what we're going to do is go ahead to our device manager again. And for the Intel wireless Bluetooth, we'll just enable it right again, one more time. Just move that right here. And if you hear, the audio is gone. It's fully functional. Let me just connect this keyboard with Bluetooth to the computer and see if it actually works. So we'll put this into pairing mode. And go down here, Bluetooth, settings, and then we have adding a new device. RK, it should be connecting, done. All right, so it's connected. So as you see, the Bluetooth works, and there we go, fully functional. I can just type in whatever, and the audio is gone. So there we go, that's how you fix the Bluetooth disconnecting sound issue on a Windows computer. Although I highly recommend you following the first 4 tips given to you by the video that I linked to you before. Like I said, it's also in the video description down below, so go ahead and check that out, especially if you're a laptop user. Now, this actually took me countless hours of research to do in order to get the solution for it, but I finally got something and I'm happy to share it with you here. So hopefully that was useful for you. And like I said, this solution, the last one where you have to physically open up your PC, power off the PSU, and then unplug it, replug it, and redo the whole thing. That's applicable if you are using a desktop computer. For laptops, however, do try to begin with your regular turning off the PC and back on. Hopefully that will fix it. And if not, follow the 4 steps that TechMT here has provided you in this video. I have linked in the description below. And the reason why I say this is because laptops are better made on the inside. It's just one piece, so you can't really open it and then, you know, turn off the PSU and turn it back on. So follow those methods for laptops. For PCs, if it continues to persist, open it up. Anyway, so that's it for today's video. I know it was a little different, it was a little tutorial, but this is what this channel is all about, to help you get the most out of your computer experiences. So I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button if you found this content useful, and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comment section below about anything that you would like me to look into, and I'll try my best to come up with an answer for you, because that's what this channel is all about. And with that said, I will see you next time.